Hey, you know, we've had some fun times, but I mean, you gotta admit, our relationship has gotten a little bit rusty. I mean, you've kinda let yourself go. Maybe it's my fault. Maybe I didn't give you the love and attention that you deserved. What I'm trying to say is, it's not you, it's me. But I'm leaving you for someone younger. An upgrade, if you will.
Wait, this is out of nowhere. Are you, me?
Wait, what? No, not you, the bikes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're probably right. It's time for a bike upgrade, y'all. They were good while we had them, but I think they've seen their time.
Yeah, we had some fond memories, but they're kind of falling apart now.
So we're going back to see our friend Sean over at Sonoran Cycles, who last time we were in Yuma, we did a little social media video for, and we're gonna see if we can maybe get the hookup from him, but if not, it's fine. Either way, we definitely need new bikes. When we were talking about getting new bikes, Victoria was like, let's get an e-bike.
Yeah, not really knowing how much they cost. They cost a pretty penny, so.
And I said either way, look, brand new bikes, regular ones, price point's gonna be high, so get ready for some sticker shock. What's up, Sean? How you doing, brother? Back for another one, man.
How you guys are just like on the East Coast, aren't you?
Yeah, well, we're like a month behind.
Our bikes are broken and we were looking for some new bikes, so we just thought we'd stop in.
Yeah, I was like, well, I know who I need to go see for a new one. How about we just get you a scooter?
A scooter?
Yeah, you want a scooter instead? Less work.
That's true.
It is pretty quick. They are spunky. They're fun.
You know what? I don't know if that's a good idea. I'm already like scared
Y'all?
of getting on one that I'm gonna fall.
You see what she's looking at, right? E-bikes.
Alright, so here's your throttle, so
Okay.
it won't do anything until you're moving. Your plus button will take you up to 5, so
Okay.
it's going to give you more assistance. And then you can take it all the way down to 0. So if you're at 0, this would be like a regular bike. There's not going to be any assistance whatsoever.
Gotcha.
You could still use the throttle though if you're going 2 to 3 miles an hour, then the throttle would kick in.
Okay. How fast can it go?
It'll do at least 20. Somebody said they've had up to 26.
Yeah, don't need that.
And then it folds up super easy. This whole thing would swing back this way. Something like what you guys are doing,
Yeah.
traveling a lot. Space may be an issue.
That's the goal. All right, Victoria with the test drive. It's just a bike.
Just a bike. I really am intimidated.
Remember, you have brakes, don't crash into something. For anybody that might be newer to the channel and hasn't seen Victoria on a bicycle before, her track record is not good. You see my concern with putting her on an e-bike that can go up to 26 miles an hour. There she goes. Are we about to spend a lot of money?
I don't know, maybe.
You really like that, I can tell, because it looked like minimal effort. You were cruising.
I got up to I think I got up to 20, which isn't as scary as I thought it would be. It's what I would get up to if I was like pushing.
Okay, the only way we're actually letting you get on that thing is with a helmet.
With the helmet, for
Okay.
sure. I already got nervous. Maybe knee pads, elbow pads.
Full body armor. She had a lot of joy in her face right there.
But I would definitely wear a helmet. I don't trust myself.
Okay, this is the thing. If you get an e-bike and I get a regular bike, you're gonna dust me all the time.
Which is why you
So
have
what
to
if
get
I
one-
don't, what if I wanna work for it?
Then you just turn the assist down to 0, right? Yeah.
Okay, that's a good argument. We have a lot to think about right now. We definitely were talking no e-bikes when we came in, and now that's all we're talking about. So we're gonna let Victoria work her next bunch of shifts, marinate.
Come back on Monday?
You have 4 days to decide. Okay.
All right.
Sean,
Well, guys.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no worries.
And we'll see you on Monday, one way or the other.
Sounds good. I'll be here.
So here we are back in Yuma. And I know we mentioned that we love all the things here. Like I love the hospital. We look forward to the weather, and it's just beautiful in general here. But what I didn't tell Thomas is the real reason we're back is because I have some unfinished business. I have to find this geocache that I couldn't find here last year.
You're so ridiculous.
So here we are in the West Wetlands Park, which is actually connected to our RV park, which is amazing. And we brought the doggies to see if maybe they could help us find it.
Girls, what do we think? Are we gonna find this thing?
We're looking for something.
All right, let's do this. Is it there, girls? No? Just some good sniffs? Oh, good potty spot. Okay, we always catch that on camera, don't we?
You might want to skip out a lot of this because it might take some time. There's a reason I couldn't find it last year.
You got this.
Description says it's as close to your feet as it is to the tree in 3. Something there leads the way.
Tree and 3.
What
There's 3 trunks on this tree. I'm generally not very useful or helpful when it comes to these geocaches until it comes to riddle time. I can be good at this.
The only one you were really good at was the golf ball one because it was a direct
Sports one.
reference.
It's kind of true. I'll nail the sports ones. Oreo, you're gonna, oh, look at all those ants.
Oh, I'm scared.
At least try, oh, no way. Oh my God. Oh no, dog, stay away from that. Holy crap. Do you see the amount of ants? So let me ask you, Victoria.
I will not be signing that. No need to question it. Oh, wow. That's so many ants.
That's like a couple thousand ants hanging out in that hole with your geocache.
Yeah.
Are you a little disappointed?
I still can't say I understand the riddle, but I found it. I'm a mark it is found on the app.
Okay, I mean, listen, at the very least, it's look everywhere. That wasn't a very good clue geocache.
Maybe it was really good and we're just really dumb.
No, they should probably just do better next time.
Okay.
But hey, but good job. You did it.
Yay.
Hey, Oreo, this isn't your first rodeo in the desert.
I know.
So how about you stop running into the cacti?
Seriously.
What are you doing?
Oh my goodness.
Girls, you weren't very much help, but hey, at least you got some fresh air. Hey babies, are you enjoying the park? You love the beach. Nice spot.
Get that stick. Get it.
It's okay, you needed a bath anyways. Despite the fact that we never thought we'd be back here, one of the reasons that we are glad we're back is the West Yuma Wetlands, which are located right next to our RV park. I mean, how do you beat the river a stone's throw from where your RV sits?
It's nice.
It's pretty nice. And obviously, we've told you about this before. We'll link Yuma Wetlands episode there for you, but it's got trails. It's obviously got the river, some beach areas. There's boat launches. That's where we put our paddle boards in.
It's got a really sweet kids playground as well if you have kids.
Probably like the most baller kids playground I've
Honestly,
ever
it's a castle.
seen. Yeah, it's got a fishing pond, butterfly garden, all sorts of stuff throughout the wetlands, and you see people enjoy it a lot here in Yuma.
Especially when it gets hot.
Puppies decided to come out here and enjoy the day with us, and dogs are allowed, just make sure they're on a leash. And other than that, it's just a great place to come enjoy nature. We like nature. And our favorite part about the West Yuma Wetlands, of course, is the fact that we get to put our paddleboards in. And this time last year is actually where we fell in love with paddleboarding and decided to kind of purchase our own. We've got inflatables. They're iRocker Blackfinns. Is that correct?
Yes.
They cost a pretty penny, but
We've used them a lot.
so much. And we're not the only ones that love paddleboarding. Puppies do too. They've got their little shark vests on. We're about to jump in the water, cool down. It's like 90+ degrees today. It's getting warm in Arizona, yo. You're such a little shark, Oreo.
Barley doesn't like the water that much, but she's getting used to it.
Go get it, Oreo. Go get it. Good jump. Good jump. Oh, you got it. Get it, get it. Good girl. That was so good. Good job, Oreo. Shake it out. There you go.
Where are you going, Barley? Come here.
Oh, no, you're such a good jumper. Where are you going? Where are you? Are you trying to get to shore?
We're okay.
Barley's been on these boards probably 20 times and she's still nervous.
She still gets nervous.
Because that's how she lives her life.
It's okay.
It's okay. You're doing a really good job.
Such a good job, baby.
She does have the tendency to jump ship and go to shore. Hey, baby.
Like, get me away from this family.
Oreo's a little pirate. Aren't you a pirate?
Come aboard my ship.
Okay, it was time to take the dogs home. Now it's mommy and daddy party time. You know what I mean? And we got some new friends. James and Erica. Meeting new friends. Kind of what it's all about, right? We're all just out here trying to live our best life. Are you sure you're ready for this type of commitment?
I guess so.
Guess we're about to find out. I'm digging it.
You haven't even ridden it yet.
I just like the way it feels. It feels so much better than my beach cruise have.
Yeah.
I feel powerful. Sign me up.
You like it?
Yeah, sign me up. I'm in. Truck's right there.
I like this one better than the other one, actually.
Do you?
I do. What you think about this one?
I like it. It looks good on you.
Watch this.
Oh, whoa. You're like a transformer. Yeah, Sean. Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, man.
Is it heavy?
It's heavier than your beach cruiser.
I bet. Here's our new bikes. Lucy and George.
Wait, what? They have names already?
I just came up with
I didn't get a say in that.
Huge shout out to Sean at Snorin Cycles for helping us make our decision.
Now, honestly, this is way more money than we were trying to spend on new bikes, especially being that our old ones cost us less than $400 combined. However, we have given these things a test run already, and I can see why they are so expensive. And honestly, I only rode it once to be like, why would you ever ride any other kind of bike? It's got a throttle, like, yeah, you'll kill the battery, but like uphill, if you want to work for it, good on you. But if you're just trying to like joyride like us and just kind of enjoy getting places, then e-bikes.
One of my favorite features of these bikes is that they do have a regenerative battery. Did I say that word right?
Regenerative?
It's a hard one. Essentially what that means is that going downhill or pedaling can help you recharge your battery. So if you are willing to put in a little more work, you can go a long ways.
Yeah, we do have folks that stay in the RV park here at Riverfront, and they all have e-bikes. None of them have a regular bike. And they're like, yeah, we do like 50 miles a day. And I'm like, or did you do like 3? Victoria, she and bikes aren't friends most of the time. With our beach cruisers, because we were kind of chilling, just like, you know, vibe riding, we didn't tend to wear helmets that often.
We probably should have, but we just didn't have any.
With these e-bikes, however,
We will definitely be wearing helmets.
yeah, You like our sweet new helmets? You ready to ride?
Let's go.
Y'all, I just went 20 miles an hour without pedaling.
My watch keeps asking me if I want to track some cycling on my health app, and I don't have the heart to tell him that I'm not doing most of the work.
These things are awesome. Y'all, we're excited to be back in Yuma. We've showed you some of the things that we loved about this place, especially the West Yuma Wetlands. These bike trails are awesome. There's miles and miles of them.
Yeah.
And you can also ride the canals here in Yuma, which is pretty cool.
One thing I'm excited about is actually seeing different parts of Yuma that we might not have seen before just because we have these bikes. I feel like we definitely saw quite a bit last time we were here.
We did.
There's definitely more to be seen here in Yuma and in the surrounding Arizona area. So if y'all have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.
Show us where those beautiful sunsets are. And of course, we'll catch you next Sunday.